The much-requested Classic Edition of NES will finally be re-released in June, and the Classic Edition of SNES is not far behind. Nintendo recently announced that the Classic Edition of NES will be on sale again on June 29. The big question here is whether Nintendo will be able to keep up with the demand this time, since the original version of the microconsole was very difficult to obtain due to extremely limited stocks. In addition, Nintendo has promised that the Classic Edition of SNES will also be available until the end of the year, although you will see that its relaunch has not yet been determined. Along with this, the Famicom Mini, or the Japanese version of the Classic Edition of NES, will also see a relaunch this summer in two variants. The Famicom Mini Standard will be reissued on June 28 in Japan, followed by a memorial Shonen Jump Famicom Mini on July 7. The latter is being done to highlight the 50th anniversary of Shonen Jump and, as such, presents all kinds of relevant connection games.